Let's look at how to value the option to delay using the Black-Scholes option pricing method. If you have a standard deviation, a risk-free rate, and the WACC, you can value the real option using Black-Scholes. For the stock price S, use the present value of the project's expected cash flows. For the strike K, use the cost of the project. For T is the length of time that you can defer that decision. The risk-free rate is going to be used to calculate the time value of money. The standard deviation is going to be the general level of risk. That is the variation in the cash flows of that particular project. Here is a capital budgeting problem with an option to delay. You can pause and read the problem on the slide. Project X has an upfront cost of $12 million. Cash flow 1 is $1.5 million. Free cash flows will grow at 3% per year. We can begin today or next year. Risk-free rate 4%, WACC 11%, standard deviation 30%. Should you begin the project today or wait? The value today is $18.75 million. Subtracting the cost of $12 million gives a net present value of $6.75 million. If we wait 1 year, we do not get the first $1.5 million cash flow. Your text treats that as a lost dividend discounted at the 11% WACC. The value of the lost cash flow is negative $1,349,987, reducing the value of the project to $17,398,649. The present value of waiting 1 year to spend the money to begin the project discounts the $12 million cost discounted at the 4% risk-free rate, because that cash outflow is certain, as 12 million divided by 1.04 equals 11,538,462. The formulas for D1, D2, and the value of the call are on this slide. Using the formulas from the last slide, we can find the values for D1 and D2, then use the function in Excel norm.s.dist of 1.6523335 and 1 to find n of D1 equals 0.9508. And then find the value of n of D2, which equals 0.9119. Then value the call C by assuming S is the present value of the cash flows 1 year from now, 17,398,649. And the present value of the strike K equals 11,538,462. Waiting a year to spend the 12 million is like the strike or exercise price of the option. Hence, the value of the call is 6.43 million. The value of waiting 1 year to start the project is 5,860,187. The net present value, the present value of starting now is 6.75 million. The option to delay is out of the money, hence it is optimal to begin the project today rather than wait. You should not exercise every option to delay. In this instance, we should do the project now, not wait. Waiting may be useful if we learn more information that would change the future costs or expected future inflows or reduce the variability of the future cash flows. But in this example, the cost and inflows are the same, just occurring 1 year later. So there is no reason to wait. You can see the calculations in this Excel file. Pause to read it, click on the Excel, which you will have. Thank you. So now you can use Black-Scholes to value real options.